Welcome back to another little episode, guys. Oh, and ladies. We've hit disaster on the Corsa. I noticed it when it got painted and I've tried to disguise it best I can, but I'm just not going to be happy with it. Like, if you're in our little group chat, i.e. Vinny, Master Mods, Asbo, obviously Lewis, Danny, Craig, you all know I'm a little bit OCD when it comes to things, so it's all getting redone. I don't care, it's just gonna have to get repainted. So the disaster parts are the door handle split in the booth because it fell off the trestle. I don't know if you could see that, maybe not, just there, a little crack. And then there's one runs along here, there's one here, and there's a couple here. So yes, I am gonna have to grind it all out, V it out, rub it all down and fill it again. Not best pleased, but what can I do? I can't leave it like that. Like, it just get picked to fault. And yes, you all got the other one right in the chat if you're in our chat. If not, you're about to know. It is the bonnet. I'm not happy with the vent. As you can see, it sits 5 mil too high this side. So if I stand back, you can notice it. Hopefully you can see that on camera. Either way, I can notice it in person. It's been eating me alive since I put it on the car and put the vent in, and I've noticed it. I've tried to like shimmy the bonnet forward, try and shimmy the other side back, just try and get rid of it a bit. But it didn't really change the outcome. So unfortunately, that is getting cut back out and welded back in. I'm not happy, but what the hell's it? I think I need a shave as well, everyone. Anyway, back to the video. I'm gonna get the door off. We're gonna get the belt sanders out, gonna get the DA over, we're gonna get the door sorted out quickly. We'll just time lapse that bit. You've seen me do it a million times. And then the bonnet, I don't know, I'm probably gonna cry when I put a grinder and cutter to it and cut it back out, but like I say, I can't leave it like that. So we're gonna get on with it. Hopefully stick around, see my utter mess up I've done. I don't know what else to do, people. Like, I'm kind of annoyed at the same time, so I don't know. Like I said, I spoke to Lewis, and the more I look at it, the more it annoys the living out of me. So we're just gonna do it, sack it. Right, we're gonna get on, get the door back off. We're gonna get on a trestle. I'm gonna get set up. I'm gonna get that sorted out, and then I'll be back, and we'll tackle this bonnet. See you shortly, guys. So I've V'd out all the cracks. So I've got to re-skim that now. So I'll probably just come back after I've done it. So all I'm going to do is put tight skims in here to try and fill in all the, try and, you know, build it back up, fill in some of the little pinholes that are left. I've got rid of most of it. And there is a dent here which I haven't noticed. I think it's where it baked and it's pulled in on the support bar. It goes across, the silicone's pulled in on it just there when I baked it. So I think what we're going to do is I'm going to get this done and then I'll check back up with you and then we'll start the bonnet. So guys, oh, and ladies, the door's now repaired. Got rid of all the cracks. Hopefully it doesn't happen again because I generally don't want to be doing this door again. This is like the third time I've had to repair it and once after paint. Found a little dent here, so I've just done that. I've double checked the door, there's nothing else on it. So I suppose if find someone's give me a hand taking this off and I start cutting this apart. I'm really kind of devastated, to be fair, that I didn't measure it more than twice and got a little bit happy. But I'll just show you, look, it was on a trestle like this and you can't really notice it. But as soon as you put the bonnet down, like, you can tell it's too high this side. So I'm just gonna have to grind all the filler work out with a grinder, probably cut from here all the way around again, and then yeah, so we're just gonna get it off, I suppose, cut it and go from there. I can't really leave it like that. Like, I won't turn up to shows like it, have a bit of OCD, so we're gonna sort it. So next time you see this, I'll be grinding it all out, cutting it up and starting again. So I'm gonna put you on a time lapse and we'll just crack on with it. So everyone, that's the bonnet and the door repaired. Trying to be as transparent as possible. I don't always get everything right first time, unfortunately. Perfect world would be we would, but obviously I don't. So I've obviously repaired the door where it slipped on the trestle and no one's noticed that it's cracked when we put it in the booth to be painted. And I've also corrected the bonnet now where the vent was slightly on the piss. You could see it in the photos. I measured it and it was like 6 mil out, and I did toy with the idea of just leaving it for the year because it's already all painted and stuff, but I thought might as well just get it right. So I've chopped it up, re-welded it in the right place and refilled it. So obviously I just got to get it primed and painted again now. There's no point showing that on the video. So what I am going to ask is, we're going to go for a little like goal and see if we can get 20 likes on this video. Also, if you're enjoying the Corsa episodes, please obviously like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. We always enjoy speaking to our followers and stuff and help out where we can. So if you have any questions about anything, just message us and we'll try our best to help you out. So with that said, take care everyone, and thanks for watching the video. Bye.